Now sit comfortably. Now sit in Dandasana. Stretch your legs forward. Keep both the hands beside your hips. Raise your spine up. Now keep stretching your ankle joints forward and backwards. Keep stretching your ankle joints forward and backwards. Feel all the stretch from the tip of the toes till the ankle joints. Now keep both the legs apart. Now rotate your ankle joints clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Now keep both the legs apart again. Take your big toes in and out. In and out. Feel all the stretch in your ankle joints, in your calf muscles, knee joints, thigh muscles, hip joints. Now take your legs together. Take your knees up and down. Up and down. Now from here we'll do the butterfly posture. Now from Dandasana. Now take your legs closer. Now bring the soles of the foot closer. Now let the heels of your legs touch to your pelvis. Hold your big toes with your hands. Now straighten your spine completely. Pull up. See that your right hip and left hip touches the mat. Pull your pelvic muscles, tummy muscles in. Roll on your shoulders back and down, holding your toes with your palms. Now take your thighs up and down. Give good butterfly action to your thighs. Now this is called as Vakrasana or Konasana or the butterfly pose, Titaliyasana or the cobbler's pose. Very, very good for both men and women, especially for the digestive problems and for the reproductive problems. Now from here, raise your head, neck and chest up. Inhale, slowly, gently bend forward. Slowly, gently forward from your hips. Now bring your spine parallel to the mat. From there, slowly, gently, still bend forward. Bring your chin close to the toes. Now inhaling, raise your head, neck and chest up. Straighten your spine. Relax. Now from here, stretch your both the legs apart. We'll come to the Upavishta Konasana. Stretch both the legs as far as possible. Now keep pressing your knees down, complete leg down. Pull your spine completely up. Now turn your waistline to the left side. Slowly, gently bring your chest and your tummy close to the left thigh. Pull yourself forwards. Now bring your chin close to the left knee. Now again slowly, gently raise your spine up. Now turn your waistline again to the right side. Your right knee will tend to raise up but press it down. Pull yourself forwards and close to the right leg. Now again bring your head, neck, chest down closer to the right knee. Now slowly, gently inhaling, come up. So now we'll do this final twisting in Upavishta Konasana, each side 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now we'll do the actual posture of the Upavishta Konasana. Now stretching both the legs, press your knees down. Hold your left big toe with the left hand, right big toe with the right hand. Pull your spine up. Inhale. Now slowly, gently exhaling, bring your chest and your tummy close to the ground. Very, very slowly, gently. So bring your chin close to the ground. Now rest your trunk on the mat or on the ground. Stay here. Otherwise, give good spring action to your spine. Take it up and down, 10 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly, gently inhaling, raise your spine up. Now bring your legs together. Come back to Dandasana. Relax. Now we'll do the twisting posture. Now from here we'll do the Vakrasana posture. So for Vakrasana, now fold your right leg. Put it beside the inner side of the left thigh. Now raising your spine up. Now stretch your right hand up and take it behind your spine. Now lift your left hand up. Now take it over and above the right leg and hold your right ankle joint with the left hand. Take your right hand behind and straighten your spine. Now inhaling, turn your head, neck, chest to the right side. Turn your shoulder also out. Look at the wall at the back. Now stay here for 5 complete breaths. Again, this is very good for neck pain, back pain, sciatica, diabetes, increasing the flexibility in your spine. Now, slowly, gently turn your head, neck, chest to the center. Release your left hand, release your right hand, and release your right leg. Come back to Dandasana. Now from here again straighten your spine up, the complementary posture. Now fold your left leg. Put it beside the inner side of the left thigh. Now slowly, gently take your left hand up. Keep it behind your spine to straighten your spine. Now take your right hand up over and above your left leg and hold your left ankle joined with the right hand. Now slowly, gently inhaling, turn your head, neck, chest to the left side. Look at the wall at the back. Now feel all the stretch in your neck, in your chest, in your shoulders, in your spine. Very good massage effect to your abdominal organs. Vakrasana. Now slowly, gently raise your right hand up. Take it down. Now release your left hand. Release your left leg. Come back to Dandasana.